Not good light, Heather. I'm not good light. Don't start the video.
I already started it. Stop being weird.
Weird.
Chris Frank riding bitch over here.
It's not used to being on camera.
Can you see where my other hand's at?
Oh, God. How's it going, Bill?
It's going well, I guess.
Red light.
Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life, and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
Going back there.
It's great.
How much money did you put in on the lottery ticket?
Going, Chris?
It's going great. More than you. We're going racing.
Just put the window down.
It's a mistake.
Chris Frank, shut up. We're here, thank God.
No, I won't.
Chris Frank won't shut the fuck up.
I'm only here for the content. It had down to.
I really can't say much because Chris Frank's talking the whole time. So,
welcome to the episode where I'm going to talk most of the night. We're just going to take Bill out of it.
That's an episode, or that's your entire life?
Yeah. Bill invited me to sit between you guys because he knew how terrible this could be, right up against you.
where do you want to park?
Wherever you want.
Next to Dylan Norris. All right, so get a tire.
All right, so we
What we gotta do, Bobby?
pulled a 38, and now we got our
If you want to
tire
buy a
token.
regular tire, they give you a token. Like tire shortage. This is how it is now.
Back when I raced, Racers Used Parts Warehouse had a gazillion tires on the shelf.
Nowadays, sucks.
Success.
Yeah, like one tire a day. You gonna smell it? Sniff it, Bobby. Get ready for time trials. We go out 21st. Overall, I was 36. Well, warm-ups went pretty good. We ended up good top 10 after hot lap, so
Wow.
getting ready to go out for time trials right now. We're up next, so I'm gonna hurry up and
Where
get
do you
in
go
there.
out? In the middle.
Yeah, there's probably like 9 cars in already, so see what happens. couldn't hit that down there like I wanted to.
What's that?
I couldn't hit 1 and 2 like I wanted to. I blew it the first lap and had to do the top the second lap.
It doesn't work right. It doesn't.
We need more horsepower.
It's a transponder. It's all about that unlucky transponder. It's a conspiracy.
He's been to the tower before.
That's what I'm gonna do when he goes by.
We'll still be okay.
Who?
We'll race well. Taking 6.
Oh, 4 heat yard.
Oh, he's going to. This was Julie Holland. You know why? Down. They're playing motion with probably.
Nothing.
All right, time trial's over. I'm not sure where I timed in at, but he races for next. Second heat starting 6, they take 5. So once again, we're right there on the cusp of qualifying better, but we didn't. So trying to race our way in. We got to pass 1 car, but they're all good cars in front of us. So I don't know. Guys like Kyle Larson's in there.
Who's that?
I don't know. Is he local?
I care less who
Is he a local guy?
I don't even want his autograph.
Anyway, so we're done.
69!
Look at that guy. Anyway, second heat starting 6-5 qualifying.
Nate, let's ask the question. If you could get anyone's autograph or meet anyone, who would it be?
Dead or alive?
Yes,
Elvis.
Elvis.
I'd want to hang out with him for a night too.
I forgot you're like totally into Elvis.
I do. I think it would be awesome. Elvis. And probably Arnold Schwarzenegger would be another fun one probably to hang out with.
Who I didn't want to hang out with?
Danny Dietrich.
I hang out with him at Easter and Christmas and whenever I show up. I want to hang out with Jesus.
Jesus?
Yeah. If I could hang out with anyone dead or alive, I would hang out with Jesus.
What are you going to do with Jesus?
But chill with him. He's the coolest person ever to live.
Steering line broke loose, running first lap of the heat race there. I felt pretty good with it. I soaked in oil. That pretty much screws our whole night because we'll have to start in the rear of the V.
How do you think that happened?
I'm just going to assume maybe when I would crash, the car's bouncing around. I never checked that line. I never would have thought it would have came loose. So I don't know, maybe leg hit it. I mean, it didn't leak all night, didn't leak in warm up, didn't leak in time trial. So the first lap of the heat race, get down here to turn 4, and I come off 4 and I started getting some fluid on me.
I can smell it.
When it rains,
Like you have that much on you that I can literally smell it.
Soaked into my, all the way to my leg. All the way to my leg.
I'm sorry, honey.
It's just the way it goes, it's racing on.
Chris Frank is cleaning.
It's what I do.
I love it.
16 qualifying the first one. 16 qualifying the second.
Well, let's get.
What do you think, Janet?
If they can put it together, they'll go. If they can't, they won't. Pretty simple.
Well, we're still having fun. It's not that hot out anymore.
No, it's nice out now.
It's a nice night.
Yeah.
Like, it's honestly like a nice night to be outside. Doing a good job.
Took the steering wheel away from me.
How's it going?
Well, we're back in business for now, so. We got it fixed. Just a freak thing, you know. I guess when we flipped over, I don't know if I banged into that line or something, but it eventually came loose enough to leak. Tightened it back up, fired it up, checked the fluid, everything's good. So we're not sure where we're going to be from B. The way they do it here is if the fastest two cars that don't qualify through the heat go automatically to the front row of the B. We were in the running for that, but we think two other guys that were timed right by us maybe didn't make it. So I don't know if that's the case. They probably go back to your heat race finish, which won't be good for us. So we're gonna, you know, make some changes here in anticipation of getting them ready for the B. And
Yeah, we're just hanging out tonight.
cliche, they say that's racing.
It's pretty buggy out here.
It's a bug. We're right next to the river.
Jeez.
All right, we're gonna pack it in for tonight. Look at the B main lineup. We're starting 14th. With this format, if you don't finish your heat, you're really up shit's creek. Unless you're considered one of the fastest two that don't qualify, then you're back to the front of the beach. So does it make sense to start 14th? We're taking 4. Disappointed for sure. Everybody, you know, we all come down here to race. You know, we had short night. So one good thing is everything's in one piece. So we'll be back at it tomorrow night at the Grove. New night. Just a little bit of a slump. That's just the way it goes, though. It's racing. Well, you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down. More bad nights than good. So we'll keep going. Tons of people stopping us, talking to us. It's great. Appreciate everybody. And, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, tell your friends, shoot us a message, comment below, all that good stuff. So we'll be back at it tomorrow, everybody.
This is like soaked with oil.
Fucking disgusting. You even got it down my legs. I didn't
Yeah,
get any
it's-
on my balls though, so I'm good there. Sweat dripped off my balls. We got a long line and a long wait to get out of Hagerstown.
Yeah.
Not going anywhere fast. But
Let some of the heat out. Let it out.
it's a good time. We're having a good time.
Glad you're having a good time. Tell Dietrich.
You want to see